Today I want to share with you the top 3 mistakes to avoid when you're running Facebook ads. If you avoid these mistakes, you're going to save a ton of time and a ton of money. Hey, it's Jaime. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. Only you know how much you're spending on marketing, but I'm gonna venture to guess that regardless of what that amount is, you want that cost to be lower. So today we're gonna cover the mistakes that are gonna save you some time and that are gonna save you a ton of money. These top mistakes that I'm sharing with you today come from all types of agents. The agents that I do consults with, the agents that end up joining me at EXP where I do their lead generation for free, the agents that send me direct messages, emails, comments on my videos. These mistakes are being seen everywhere. So let's jump right into it. The first mistake is having a weak offer. Telling people that you're the best or to reach out to you if they have any real estate need just doesn't work. Now, don't get me wrong, you could be the best and they may in fact have a real estate need, but they're still not going to reach out to you. And the reason being is because you didn't stand out. Remember, you have over 1 million real estate licenses out there in the United States. Now, I understand that not all of those licenses are being used, but you still have a ton of competition. So saying the same thing that other real estate agents are saying just doesn't work. Also, you need to have something of value for your audience so they can give you their contact information. You need to provide something compelling enough that they're gonna willingly give you their name, their email, their phone number, their address, and on and on. Offer something unique and something of value to your audience that they are not gonna easily be able to find anywhere else. Also, make sure that you offer one thing at one time. You don't wanna confuse the audience. And the second mistake is not retargeting your audience. This is where I have to harp on getting your Facebook pixel installed on your website. Because remember, if you're driving traffic away from Facebook to your landing pages or to your website, anywhere else that's not Facebook, you want to have the ability to remarket or retarget those people that went there in the first place. Also, what I'm seeing quite a bit is agents running an ad once and then starting all over with their next ad. They don't capitalize on the captured attention. So they end up running one ad to a cold audience and then another ad to another cold audience and then another ad to a cold audience instead of stacking up those audiences by retargeting. Now be sure to watch my videos on custom audiences and retargeting, which I'll link down below and at the end of this video that goes far more in depth on how to actually do retargeting the right way. But the main point is that you want to leverage your website traffic, the people that engage with your Facebook page, the people that engage with your Instagram page, and the people that are already in your database. You want to be able to retarget those people because they're already a warm audience for you. And the next mistake that I'm seeing from a lot of agents is not hitting that like button. I tell you every single video, but it's just not happening. And I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. And the third mistake that I'm seeing a ton of lately is not split testing the Facebook ads. For the most part, it's just not happening. I see a ton of campaigns with only one ad set and one ad. That's just not going to work. You need to test out which ad is going to perform better. You need to test out which ad set is going to bring you cheaper traffic and cheaper conversions, and then stack on those wins. And that's when you actually have the ability to scale. And on the campaigns that I do see that are doing split testing, the split testing itself is off. Because remember, you're trying to get better results. And by you changing so many different elements at one time, you're not gonna know which one of those changes actually produced better results or worse results. You know the area that you're going to farm. You know the area that you're gonna be advertising in. So start off by split testing the audiences, then move on to placements, and then finally the ad. So if you keep that order, you're gonna have a systematic way to get to better ads. At the end of the day, these mistakes are avoidable and all come from not having a strategy. Spraying and praying isn't going to work. Develop an ad strategy that you can deploy time and time again. Well, now that you know the mistakes to avoid, let's look at a campaign that will actually get you leads. So I'll leave that video right here for you to take a look. Also, if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. and of course, make it your best day yet.